You are watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers market news and shares trading signals from experts. I'm Stephanie. First, the US dollar. The dollar weakened due to growth fears on Wednesday after the release of poor economic data showed a negative 2.9% fall in first quarter GDP, the lowest percent change since 2009. The greenback ended the day 1.3628 to the euro and 101.85 to the yen. Today's data includes initial jobless claims, which are expected to fall by 1,000. The personal consumption indicator forecast to rise 1.5% in May, and personal income expected to rise by 0.4%. Next to the euro. The euro strengthened on Wednesday after a successful bond sale in Italy showed continued high demand from investors for Eurozone peripheral debt. The single currency ended the day at 1.3628 to the dollar and 138.80 to the yen. Today's data includes figures for the number of front job seekers, with a rise to 3,370,000 in May anticipated. British pound. The pound fell on Wednesday after the investors continued to digest BOE Governor Carney's recent comments that he was unwilling to consider a rate cut because there was still too much lag in the labour market. Sterling ended the day 1.6981 to the dollar and 0.8023 to the euro. Today's data includes more commentary from Carney, who is scheduled to talk on financial stability. Japanese yen. The yen rose against most counterparts on Wednesday after a mixture of influence weighed on risk appetite, including the continued intensification of the conflict in Iraq and weak GDP data from the US. The yen ended the day at 101.85 to the dollar and 172.96 to the pound. Today's data includes CPI, which is expected to show a rise of 3.7% year-on-year in May. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from the experts of the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.3615 with targets at 1.365 and 1.367 in extension. Below 1.3615, we should look for further downside with 1.3595 and 1.358 as targets. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open short positions below 1.7 with targets at 1.1695 and 1.6915 in extension. Above 1.7, which will look for further outside with 1.7035 and 1.706 as targets. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open short positions below 102 with targets at 101.6 and 101.45 in extension. Above 102, which will look for further upside with 102.15 and 102.3 as targets. Good luck and happy trading! Tune in tomorrow for the latest markets news and trading tips. I'm Stephanie and you've been watching Markets for You. Have a great day!